Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LuvNailsNicole, and I wanted to come on really quick and share with y'all what I found at the Dollar Tree recently, just a few days ago. I found a Sinful Colors Halloween polish. It's glow in the dark, and it's called Dead On. It is from the 2016, I believe the year 2016 collection, Guys and Ghouls. So I know I have like one or two from that collection, and I can't remember if I have this one or not, but I had to grab it. It's a pretty glitter with skeleton heads in it. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys a little closer what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Look at that sparkle. It's matching the topper I have on my nails. But all of the, I'm trying to get it to focus. You can see the little skeleton skull glitters pieces in there with the hollow colorful glitters. And it's like I think it's supposed to be like, you know, like a flesh color, but it looks like a light pinkish peaches color. See if I can swatch it. See what it looks like. I'll sit it all down a second. Let's see. Find something to hold you guys up. Hold on. Bear with me. Okay. Let me shake it up a little. It's kind of all just settled in that spot. I'm going to have to probably let it lay or something so they'll move, but let's see what comes out. Sorry I don't have you guys on my tripod because I just did polish my nails and they're still wet, and I know for sure I will smudge them if I mess with my tripod. So sorry about the totally awkward angle here. Alright, let's see. Can't really see the color. Probably need a couple coats for that color to come up. It's really, really light. Trying to see if I can get a skull. There's like 500 in here and I can't get one of them. Well, I'll try another coat. Yeah, it's really, really sheer. But I think it's still pretty. And if I can get a skull out of here, that would be even better. I usually use my dotting tool to get glitters out when they're being stubborn like this. I don't know if you guys can see it a little closer. And here's the swatch. So as you can see, it's really clear, but you can tell it's like that little light pinkish color. So it's really, really sheer looking. But it's pretty, and I found it at Dollar Tree. And then my nails of the day, you guys, I used another 5-year-old polish that I had. If you guys watched one of my recent videos, another CoverGirl XL nail gel. This one is called Bodacious Berry. And y'all, I can't believe this polish is still, you know, it's 5 years old. Let me open it. Hold on. Okay. Even though it's 5 years old, like, looks like I just bought this yesterday. Like, can y'all see how glossy and creamy that looks? It doesn't look 5 years old whatsoever. Some more lighting over here a little. It's a really good condition, but the color's really pretty. I tried a dark color because I dyed my hair last night blue black, and under my fingernails and on top of my fingernails the hair dye got on them, and my nails look more blue than you can see in my hair. My hair looks like I just dyed it black. Like, you can barely see the blue unless like I'm holding my head under this light or something. And the sparkle is Northern Lights hologram top coat silver, Northern Lights by I&M Out the Door. And I got this, I think it's Sally Beauty Supply or either a beauty supply hair store. It does settle to the bottom, but all you do is shake it up. And it's so freaking pretty. I love this. And it dries quick, just like, you know, they have the Northern Lights Quick Dry, which I have right here. It dries, well, it's called Out the Door. And it dries just as quick as the top coat. I really, really like the sparkles. So freaking pretty. And then I used my beauty spot, which was in this that I got at Dollar General for $5. I shared in one of my videos a few videos back, if you guys want to go check it out. I used the pink out of there. There are no names on these, which I don't like because I love names, but I used the pink on my accent nail. This is really thick. And yeah, so I tried to cover up my dyed fingernails, so if you guys do see some blue black around my nails, because it's still dyed on the side, it is not dirt, honey, it is dye, and I don't know how to get it off. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys that I found a Halloween nail polish at Dollar Tree for $1. Sinful Colors, dead on, perfect for Halloween nails. I love that it glows in the dark. And also my nails of the day. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember to click that subscribe button, please, and thumbs up. Bye.